Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You need to forward multiple emails in Outlook. It's simple to do efficiently. The best way is to combine them into one new message. First, open your Outlook desktop application. Navigate to your inbox or the folder containing the emails you want to forward. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on each email you wish to include. This selects multiple non-consecutive emails. If the emails are consecutive, click the first one, then hold a Shift and click the last one to select the entire block. Once all desired emails are highlighted, right-click on any one of the selected emails. From the context menu that appears, choose Forward. Outlook automatically opens a new email window. All the emails you selected will be attached to this new message as individual .message files. Now, simply add your recipient's email address in the To field. You can also add a subject line and type any introductory text in the body of the email. Review your message to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Send button. This method keeps your inbox tidy and sends all relevant information in one concise communication. It saves you time and prevents clutter for your recipient. That's how you forward several emails together in Outlook quickly and effectively.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.